How's it going, everybody? Hope you're having a wonderful day. Finally, a little bit of weather that halfway cooperates. Oh my goodness. But I posted a picture online last night. I'll insert it now on Instagram showing that I got a small package from Griot. So let's get to it. I'll show you exactly what it is. It's something really simple. Well, there it is. Alright, Griot's Garage. Griot's Garage. One of the best companies I have found. I know there's other ones out there that are as good. There might even be some that's better, but that's okay. I really like this one. And the reason I like them is, number one, you can go down to AutoZone, Advanced Auto, pick up their products. They're local. You get really good price and a lot of good quality products for the money. And you actually get professional results when you use it. Now, as far as what's in this package, I think is part of something that I already won. And what happened was they posted, Griot's Garage did a live stream, and they wanted you to post questions for Richard, who is the owner and founder of Griot's Garage. And he would answer the questions. If yours was chosen, he would respond to it, answer on the live stream his answer. So I posted a question in the name Pete Davidson, because that's my name, and I'll put the question in now along with the answer so you can see it.
If you make Richard laugh, you're probably going to get an autographed catalog and t-shirt today. So last winner on the pre-submits is Pete Davidson. Will the new 3-in-1 ceramic spray help prevent the woodchucks from chucking wood?
Okay, so I don't know if you've seen the missing bottle back there, but it is our new woodchuck spray. And it's coming out for spring because woodchucks are hyperactive in spring. And so we developed this formula where if you can catch the woodchuck and lift its tail and just spray back there, it makes all the hair evaporate in that one area. And that woodchuck will be chucking his own chucking stuff for quite some time. So that's the best woodchuck spray that's ever been invented. Leaves behind no residue.
Yeah.
After the hair gets blown off, there's absolutely zero residue.
We have diverted our entire R&D department to develop this based upon a submission. From you, Pete Davidson, you are a winner. Email at social@griotsgarage.com for your autograph. I'm sure you'll get some woodchuck joke as part of that signature from Richard.
In this particular live stream, most of the time they give away cleaning products, detailing products, polishers, stuff like this. But this one was just a casual one. You have Richard in, and they give away multiple prizes and everything, which happened to be a t-shirt. And what is in this, at least I think is what in this. I haven't opened it yet, as you can see, but we're fixing to right now. So let's get to it. Let's get to it. No, I don't have my mask on. Stuff lives on hard surfaces for up to 9 days. I know. But I do have hand sanitizer, and I will be using that right after I do this. But here we go. Yep, this is what I thought it was. Now the second part of the equation was the autograph catalog, and here we go. There's my 30 years in business catalog. And there's Richard's autograph. Thank you, Richard. I really appreciate you taking the time to do that. And what it says is, Pete, have fun in your garage, which I don't have currently, but I'm planning on it. I'm so planning on it. And Richard and Nick, right there. So I'm going to actually frame this, and I'm going to put it up on my wall, because I actually have this exact one that I got in the mail about 2 weeks ago. But I'm going to frame this one and put it up on the wall just because he took the time to autograph it for me. And like I told them when I sent them the message, I got the shirt, but I didn't get this. And they said they'd be getting it out because it come from 2 different locations. And I told them, no worries. If I don't get this, this is fine. I was tickled to death to have the shirt and to keep making great products. And as you can see, they got it out to me. Thank you very much. I really appreciate that. That shows you what kind of company this is. I told them, don't worry about it, no big deal. And they still got it to me. So thank you. and thank you for watching. I'm sitting out in my car. It's supposed to rain after a while, so there's no need in washing it or detailing it or anything like that. So I'm sitting out here doing this in a roundabout way, enjoying my car by sitting in it. So I hope you enjoyed that, and we will see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.